Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to have a battle of the braids. It's traditional box braids versus knotless box braids. You want to start with nice clean sections and begin adding your extension to the root of your natural hair. As you can see, you will be able to tell where you added the extension to the hair. Continue braiding until you reach your desired length. Here's the finished product, your traditional box braid. Now let's demonstrate the knotless box braid. We'll begin braiding with the natural hair and then add the extension piece by piece. Instead of one big piece like the traditional braid, we're going to add small pieces. As you add these pieces, the hair will begin to look thicker and thicker. You can stop adding once you've reached your desired size. Add more hair if needed and braid until you reach your desired length. As you can see, the knotless braid looks like it's coming right out of the scalp. This technique causes less tension and looks more natural. It's all about personal preference and the look you're going for. Which do you think is the winner? Tell us in the comments. Thanks for watching.